Hey y'all, and welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina, this is Miss Callie Cat, and today I have a Glossy Box. Now, Glossy Box is a beauty and makeup subscription box. I do want to start off and say I do have a referral code that will give you 20% off if you use my link. Also, there is another code. When you go through my link, and they'll have promo code thing like that. If you type in spring 16, you'll get your first box for $16. Okay, normally the box is $17.50 a month. You get 5 beauty products. I do like a 3-month, so I pay, what is it, $49? I think it's $49. And I get 3 months worth. I just pay ahead of time. It's just telling me it's active. It's not telling me what the prices are, y'all. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so let's just get into the box since I'm just confusing myself. I do put information down below so you can read it and click on the links. All right, here we go. They've started including these little Geico flyers. I guess Geico sponsors them. I don't know. So there's the actual box. I love that they come in these nice boxes because they're reusable. You can use them for other stuff. Put your postcards in here, Christmas cards, photographs if anybody ever prints them out anymore. Keep your makeup in them, whatever. I love the boxes. They're super cute. Look at that, y'all. That is so cute. All right, let's dig in. Woke up in spring, make bold decisions. All right. And then it's got my products. Of course, it tells me about the 20% off their first box if you refer a friend. All right, here's the note. Hey Glossies, brighter days are on the horizon, which means it's time for the Woke Up in Spring edition. We're all in need of a revival, whether it's a spring cleaning, a new haircut, or a fresh beauty routine. Y'all, I really need all of those, really. So reawaken your curiosity and discover new brands, ingredients, and colors with us this month. Stay glossy, your glossy team. Okay. And this is what you got inside. Oh, look at all the goodness. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm going for the biggest one first. Look at this. This has to be a full-size product. I mean, gracious me. FREEMAN French Pink Clay Peel-Off Mask Pore Cleanser. Soothe the skin for glowing complexion. Oh my, wow. Oh, wow. That smells good. Pink clay. Oh my, okay. I'm too excited. I get flustered when I'm too excited. Okay, so yes, this is a full-size product, FreemanBeauty French Pink Clay Peel-Off Mask. Refresh and revitalize your complexion with this pore cleansing mask. Ideal for moist skin types. Ideal for most skin types and free of harsh chemicals. French Pink Clay draws out and removes impurities while nourishing your skin for a smooth and glowing finish. Tip: apply to clean, dry face, avoid eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. When dry, peel from the outer edges and rinse. MSRP is $4.99. Okay. Y'all, I'd pay $4.99 for this. I mean, I can't speak for using it, but that's cool. I like that. So let's move it along. All right, this is Swell Ultimate Protect and Renewing Serum. Ultimate Protect, let's see, this is a Deluxe Mini. Banish frizz and get a sleek, hydrated finish with this vegan hair serum. If it makes frizz go away, maybe I should stop filming and just do it right now. Okay. Its silicone-free weight loss formula will conceal split ends and protect against heat for a perfect professional finish. Tip: after toweling dry hair, apply sparingly to mid-length and ends. Work through hair for even distribution. The MSRP on the Deluxe Mini is $19. A full size would be $26.60. Oh, you can get this at Amazon. So that is neat. Oh, y'all, I did it again. I put it on my nose. It smells like, I've smelled that before. I can't get in my head what it smells like. I don't know. It doesn't have, it's a shampoo I've used, a kind of a natural shampoo. I cannot think of the name of it right now. It smells good anyway. So there's that. What's this? Cargocosmetics Swimmables Longwear Eyeshadow Stick. Okay. It's like a liquid eyeshadow. Lightweight, crease-proof, water-resistant eyeshadow. The high pigment color glides on, and once set, lasts as long as you do. It only comes off when you take it off. Okay. It is in Morro Bay. That's interesting. I've never had one like this. Y'all. What does it say about it? This water-resistant creamy eyeshadow is exactly what we need as the weather warms up. A high-pigmented, high-coverage pigment will last all day through sweat, swim, and tears, so you don't have to worry about smudging, smearing, or reapplying. Once applied, you'll have 20 seconds playtime to blend before it sets. Sweep across the lid for a modern monochromatic look. The MSRP is $20. This is the full-size product. You get it at Cargocosmetics. All right, we gotta play with this. Let's see if I can get it open. Oh, I cheat. Sometimes I go through the bottom because the top is sealed. Oh, look at that. Super shiny. Wow. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's nice. I like that, y'all. That's pretty nice. I'm gonna have fun playing with this. I may make a mess, but I'm gonna have fun playing with it. And you know, I was just thinking the other day that I didn't have many like cream eyeshadows, cream blushes, stuff like that, and I wanted to try it, and I was actually looking into buying something. I'm glad I didn't, because now I have this. Love it. Love it, love it. Came prepared. I want to get everything everywhere. Look, even when I wipe it off, you can still kind of see it. It's already starting to set. So yeah, they were serious about the 20-second rule. Okay, here we go. Let's see. This is Nourishing Mascara from BEAUTANIQ. Volumizing mascara enriched with almond oil and camellia oil. Pretty packaging. There you go. No. Yes, okay. This is a full-sized Nourishing Mascara. Thicken, lengthen, and strengthen your lashes with this volumizing formula rich in lash conditioning ingredients. The oversized brush grips and coats each hair, ensuring each lash is separated, defined, and evenly coated. Tip, apply from root to tip, adding more coats for extra volume. For extra lift, hold and lift the lashes for 5 seconds. Okay. MSRP is $19.90. You get this at BEAUTANIQ. I will write all this stuff below, y'all, so, you know, because I don't always say everything right. Look at this. This is a mascara in a tube. I have never seen one. They've always, you know, come in the... Yeah, it's just me. I don't know makeup, you know that. All right. So there is the brush. I'm curious to try that one. Oh, I got it everywhere already. Look at that. I am such a messy person. Y'all should see my bathroom. Makeup everywhere. Okay. Yes, I see you, Miss Cat Cat. Be Calm Patch. The Good Patch Premium Hemp Infused. Time to unwind and decompress. This transdermal patch is complete with premium hemp extract and other natural ingredients. Okay, I don't know what this is. Hang on. This is an extra treat. The Good Patch Be Calm. It's got 1 patch in it. Contains 15 milliliters of hemp and menthol. This dermatologically tested patch will ensure you're calm throughout the day, relieving feelings of stress and anxiety. It's natural, simple, and totally discreet. Tip, stick patch on the inside of your wrist. Leave on as desired for up to 12 hours. Do not use on damaged skin. Okay, so you put it on your wrist. You know, anytime I think of a patch, I think of that, you know, nicotine patch thing that people used to use when they were trying to quit smoking. 1 patch is worth $12. 4 patches is $16. You get this at thegoodpatch.com. So that's interesting. Maybe I'll try this next week at church. See if it helps me keep calm. So I thought that was everything. I was fixing to end the video. I started digging around. I always dig around for this stuff. And look at, I found something else. This is NCLA Los Angeles 7 Free Luxe Nail Lacquer. Let's see what this says about this. Guess I could show y'all instead of just hoarding it for myself. This is a full size. We offer you Never Neverland. What could be more spring than a pretty pastel? This vegan and cruelty-free nail polish is free of harmful ingredients, making it safe and healthy for your nails to look beautiful all month long. Tip, after applying a base coat, apply 2 coats of color for perfect coverage, and then finish with a top coat. The MSRP of this is $16. You get it at uslookfantastic.com. Okay, so since I've already got a sample from my Ipsy bag, let's see what this one looks like. So that's just 1 coat. Just, you know, quickly put on. I don't know that I absolutely adore it, but it might grow on me. You never know. I did dig this one from Ipsy. I'll link that video up above. That's, I mean, kind of neat. I'm trying to decide what I feel about it. What do y'all think of this color? Do you like this color? I mean, maybe on my toes a little better. I don't know. I normally put dark colors on my toes and light colors on my hands, but this color was really growing on me. I'll wear that for a little while and I'll see what I think. Y'all let me know. Don't forget to comment below. While you're down there commenting below, please like this video. There goes a squirrel. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share me with your friends. Push that notification bell. It'll tell you when I put new videos out. I really appreciate y'all spending time with me. It means the world to me. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.